Hi there guys, welcome back to the Farrington channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to mine Xdag, whether you're on a CPU or a GPU. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to need to mine Xdagger is you're going to need to grab yourself a wallet. So what you need to do, if you're on Windows, just go ahead and press on the Windows 64-bit download, and just go ahead and download yourself the wallet and go ahead and install that, and make sure that you grab yourself a wallet address so that we can go forward and do the further parts. Okay, so now that you've got your wallet, and you've also probably got your wallet address as well, what we're going to need to do is go ahead and find a pool. Now there's only xdag.org and xdagmine.com to pick and choose from. So for this specific instance, I'm going to be picking xdag.org. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and just click on there. And depending on whether you guys want to mine on solo or whether you're going to mine on equal, it's up to yourself, either. So what you need to do is just go ahead and press on start mining. Make sure that you go ahead and paste in your own Xdagger wallet, and then also go ahead and pop in the name of whatever your rig is that you're popping onto there. Now press go ahead and press start mining, and what's going to happen is when you press start mining, a folder is going to start to download, and let that download. And then what you need to do is just go ahead, and if it comes up as dangerous, that's perfectly fine. Press keep anyway, and then if we go ahead down here, we just close down this, and we make ourselves a new folder up here, and we call that Xdagger, and then if you just drag and drop all of these documents into there, go ahead and close off my original. So now that we're here in the folder, this is the exact same as normal XM rig, but it has all got its changes in there for the different algorithm. So what you need to do is just go ahead and press on your XMR rig, press on the properties, go ahead and press that run that as administrator. Okay, make sure you do that, and then all you're gonna need to do is go ahead, let me just make sure I'm not running anything at this specific moment. I'm not. Go ahead and press on this exact file here, so the xdag_org_equal. Go ahead and press this, allow access, that's very important, and also as well, don't forget your security as well. And from this specific point, you should be successfully mining to Xdag. Okay guys, so I would like to thank one of the subscribers that did go ahead and comment in regards to Xdag. It did show us that this is one of the most profitable coins to mine at the specific moment in time. So what I thought I'd do is just go ahead and show you exactly my setup at the moment. So as you can see, this is the setup I have at the moment. I'm currently running about 10 to nearly 11 kilohashes on Xdag at the moment. And then if we also take a little look over at the pool over here as well, we can actually pop in there, give or take my hash rate, and that should roughly get around about $4.16 per day at the current hash rate at the specific time. So let's take a look at the hash rate as well. So I can see the hash rate, if it was just there a second ago, it has been very, very steady for the difficulty. Okay, nothing has changed at all. So potentially I'm willing to give this a shot for 24 hours just to see how this goes, and if it does seem to be working out just right, then and it is profitable, then I definitely will make sure to go ahead and update you guys and do a 24-hour video in regards to this. But I do appreciate those of you that do go ahead and comment and drop things in the comment section to let me know what coins to mine and things to check out. Also guys, don't forget as well, you can also throw these ideas and comments and questions and things like that into the Discord server where everybody's going forward and communicate with each other. So if you want to do that as well, make sure to go check that out in the description. I'll leave a link for you guys. Okay guys, just want to let you know as well that you can exchange your Xdagger on Coin Exchange. So what we'll be doing is I will leave you guys a referral link for you guys in the description to make sure that you can go ahead and get yourself signed up if it's something that you haven't already signed up on. Right guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and thank you very much for those of you that stuck around and watched the video all the way through to the end. Please make sure if you took anything or learned anything from this video, then make sure to leave us a like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.